Hey, Scott Haug here, and welcome into Money on the Beach series, video number 3 of our amazing series here on manifesting more money into your life. Today's manifestation topic is all about cleaning up your energetic field or your environment. As you already know, make sure, if you haven't already, by the way, watch video number 1 and number 2 in this series as well. Links will be above and in the description below. Make sure you watch those, because this is an entire series together. It's going to give you all the greatest money tips while we're here on the beach with this beautiful water and ocean behind us. Today's idea is as above, so below, as below, so above, as within, as without. Anything that you have going on in the inside is going on the outside. Anything that's going on the outside is going on with the inside. These are axioms that have been around for thousands of years, explaining why the things are going on in our life and how to change them, okay? It's very important to realize, if your environment is chaotic and messy, your internal environment will reflect that. Internally, you'll be chaotic and messy. Vice versa, same applies. If you're chaotic and messy within, you're going to be chaotic and messy in the actual results and circumstances you have. They both go hand in hand. As you could tell, you know, the beach around me, the sand, the water, this all seems so physical, right? And internal seems to be different. But everything around us is in energy form in one way or another. The sands, the plants, the buildings, the chairs, all the different things that you see right now in this video are all physical manifestations, but they're all energy at the deepest foundational level. So if your environment is very messy, chaotic, and disorganized, your results around money are going to be chaotic and disorganized. So what I'd highly suggest you do is you start with every environment in the physical plane and clean it up and organize it. I give this exercise to all my clients all the time. I give it to myself constantly, because if you're cleaned up and organized on the outside, again, internally, you're going to notice a difference. Now, to the unenlightened person, let's just cover this, it's going to make no sense at all. They're going to say, oh yeah, cleaning up my stuff is really going to give me more money. Making sure my office is cleaned up and my phone is all cleaned up, like that's really going to do anything. Oh, it does, okay? Because again, there's something so invisible going on around us, with the energy around us within our world. It's all energy-based patterns, okay? So it does make a difference. Try it out. You'll see the difference if you haven't already. In your physical environment, I want you to clean up, number one thing first, your electronics. Your phone, I want you to clean it up. Now, what do you mean by cleaning up a phone? I don't mean taking some cleaner and cleaning off the screen. What I'm talking about is organizing it. I want you to delete all the old voicemails that might be stacked up. I want you to delete the old text messages. I want you to go through and delete all the unused apps, all the things you don't need but you're keeping them anyways, okay? I want you to go ahead and delete anything that's on your phone that's unwanted whatsoever. Organize it. Organize your contacts. Organize your apps. Organize every little thing on that phone, okay? Very important. And your background screen, I encourage you to make it like black or blank, or at least with your goal. Clean it up. Allow yourself to let go of some of these things in your phone. After your phone, go to your laptop. Make sure everything is organized. Delete folders. Delete files you don't need. After you do your phone and your laptop and your electronics, okay, I want you to go also to your physical environment, your office space, okay? Clean it up. Throw things out. Organize your papers if you have them, okay? Go into your living room. Go into anywhere around your living space here, and you want to make sure every little thing is cleaned up, organized. Donate things you don't need. Throw things out that are trash that you don't need as well, okay? Very, very critical and very, very important. Next, from there, make sure your car is cleaned out. Make sure it's cleaned up. Don't have all the stuff where if somebody's trying to get in the passenger seat, they can't even sit down because you have stuff all over the place. Clean that up, okay? Get really used to being clean and organized. The other big thing too, once all this is done, is clean up your email. Now, I can't tell you how many clients I've given this exercise to, and so many of them have like 50,000 unread emails. I mean, come on, like your mind's gonna be so chaotic. Every time you open your inbox, you're gonna miss all the important stuff. You're going to be all over the place thinking about how many things you have to go through. So I take the entire day, as many hours as possible, and unsubscribe from all the email lists except for your mentors. Those are the ones who stay subscribed to your mentors, your programs. The Big Lots, the Target, the Walmart, all the different things, get rid of them, okay? Or some of the things you might want to keep, put them into a folder, okay? Get rid of all the things. You know, people tend to keep a lot of stuff because they think in a year from now and 3 months from now they're going to read it. They never read it. 5 years goes by and they still haven't read this stuff, okay? So it's better just to get it out of your mental space, get it out of your physical environment, your electronic environment. Last thing is a bonus, go ahead and clean up your social media. Get rid of the old stuff. Get rid of it, the old photos, the old posts, the old stuff. Now, not valuable stuff, you know, if they're quotes and personal development or, you know, valuable things, you want to get rid of it. But anything that does not resonate with you any longer, get rid of it, okay? So really important, I'm telling you, test this out. It will make a difference in your life. It's going to make a difference in your money life. It's going to make a difference in your wealth and your prosperity by getting yourself organized and clean up. It's a top trick, top tip for manifesting more money in your life. It's easy to do. It will, and you'll see the difference happen for you. Okay? If you haven't already, make sure to throw a like on this video and subscribe to our channel as we do more money manifesting methods, tips. I look forward to seeing you in video number 4 here shortly.